Ever found yourself stuck in a foreign country with a dead phone and no charger? We've all been there, and it's not fun. Today, we'll be exploring 13 genius travel essentials that you probably didn't know you needed. These items are not only going to amplify your convenience, but also significantly improve your organization and safety when on the move. They're the game changers that will transform your travel experiences. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest travel tips and hacks. First up on our list of travel essentials is the portable power bank with built-in cables. This isn't just your regular power bank. It comes with built-in charging cables for various devices, ensuring you never run out of battery power while exploring new places. Next, we have the travel-sized laundry detergent sheets. Lightweight and single-use, these detergent sheets are a game changer. They eliminate the hassle of carrying liquid detergents and make washing clothes while traveling a breeze. Third on our list are the compression packing cubes. These little marvels help you keep your clothes organized and maximize luggage space by condensing clothing and other items. Say goodbye to the chaos of unpacking and repacking. The fourth essential item is the portable luggage scale. This compact device enables you to weigh your luggage before heading to the airport, helping you avoid those pesky excess baggage fees. Our fifth travel must-have is the universal travel adapter. This handy gadget ensures your electronic devices stay charged, regardless of where your journey takes you. It's designed to work in multiple countries, so you'll never have to worry about compatibility issues. Lastly, we have the reusable silicone travel toiletry bottles. These leak-proof, TSA-approved bottles are perfect for transferring your favorite toiletries. They help save space and prevent any spills in your luggage. But wait, there's more. Let's move on to the next set of essentials that are just as crucial. Continuing with our list, the seventh travel essential is the travel wallet with RFID blocking. This nifty wallet keeps your passport, credit cards, and other vital documents safe from identity theft, providing you with peace of mind during your adventures abroad. Next up, we have the microfiber travel towel. Lightweight and quick-drying, this towel is a must-have for spontaneous beach visits or hostel stays where towels may not be in the offing. At number 9, a portable Wi-Fi hotspot is a game-changer, offering secure internet access wherever your travels take you. Stay connected without relying on public Wi-Fi networks, which can often be unreliable or unsecure. For the 10th spot, we've got a sleep mask with built-in Bluetooth headphones. This two-in-one wonder blocks out light and lets you listen to soothing sounds or white noise, ensuring a peaceful slumber even in unfamiliar surroundings. Our 11th essential is the multifunctional scarf or shawl. This versatile item can double as a blanket, pillow, or even a makeshift bag in a pinch, proving that sometimes the simplest things can be the most useful. On to number 12, the travel-sized first aid kit. Be prepared for minor emergencies with this compact kit that houses essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Finally, we have the collapsible water bottle. This space saver can be flattened when empty, making it a practical choice for the savvy traveler. These are the 13 travel essentials you didn't know you needed. Let's summarize what we've covered. Traveling should be an exciting experience. And with these 13 genius travel essentials, it can be. From portable power banks and laundry detergent sheets to a multifunctional scarf and a collapsible water bottle, each item ensures a seamless, stress-free journey. They keep you organized, connected, and prepared for any situation. These essentials truly transform the way you travel, making your experience more enjoyable and less of a hassle. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Safe travels!